Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today we are going to take a few dollar store materials to create stunning and one-of-a-kind candle holders that will add a touch of glam to any room. I found these wooden block letters from the Dollar Tree and chose the letters X and U. You will see later why I chose these letters. These letters have a smooth outer surface which will be perfect to paint or embellish with mini mirror tiles or glitter sprinkles or any gems you happen to have on hand. You'll also notice that on the bottom of each letter there is about an inch where it is flat so that the letter can sit sturdily on a table surface. To embellish my letters, I have added some silver glitter into a container of silver and gold metallic paint. I'm using the back of this paintbrush to thoroughly mix the paint and glitter so there are no clumps. You can add as much or as little glitter as you prefer, but you will notice that I'm being pretty liberal with mine. Once you are satisfied with the paint mixture, remove any stickers that you may still have on the letters, and then start applying the glitter paint. You'll want to cover the entire surface area of the letters so that the original brown no longer shows through. It may take a couple of generous coats to cover the whole letter. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all of the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. While the paint glitter dries on the letters, we're going to take a strip of rhinestone ribbon that I found on Amazon and apply it to two glass motifs I found at the dollar store. You'll see this ribbon is very flexible and can be cut to any length and width you desire. The ribbon is also very sticky as it comes with a sticky adhesive in the back, so no additional glue is required. I love how versatile these rhinestone strips are, and they are so easy to work with and absolutely beautiful as an embellishment. Next, we are going to take the same ribbon and cut more strips to apply to the front and back faces of each letter. You can choose to embellish your letters anyhow you prefer, and if you don't have any of this ribbon on hand, you can opt to add mini mirror tiles or gem stickers or pearls instead, or you can leave them as is. Once the letters are embellished to your liking, take the pair of glass motifs and glue them down to the top of one of the letters. Here I have selected the letter U. You will see that I'm using some hot glue, but if you prefer a more stronger hold, I would recommend adding some E6000 or some Fix-All. And here is what our first candle holder looks like. Quite unique and adds a ton of glam to your table decor. For the letter X, I am taking a round tin cover and embellishing it with the same rhinestone ribbon as before. You can choose to cover the entire tin cover, or you can cover it partially like I will be doing. Then use some glue to adhere the tin to the top of the letter X, making sure that you center the tin cover carefully. And here is what our second candle holder looks like. You will see later when I place them side by side, they will make a perfect pair. For our third candle holder, we are going to take some small silver plastic spoons and snap the round part off the spoon arms. We will only be using the round parts of the spoon, so set aside the arms and save it for a future craft project. With the round parts of the spoon, we are going to use some hot glue to adhere them all around the rim of this dollar store glass container. And when you're done, you should be left with something like this, which, if you ask me, reminds me of a pineapple. And if you like this pineapple candle holder, stay till the end for a link to another video tutorial where I show you how to make a pineapple vase to hold flowers in. The two, I think, would make a beautiful set. And here are what the three one-of-a-kind candle holders look like together. With the candles glowing, each piece shimmers beautifully. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like the best. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and be sure to check out my pineapple vase in the next video.